I learned this rice recipe from my grandmother. It's quick and everyone loves it. In a saucepan, add 200 g of cooked rice, a teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste, 200 milliliters of water, 200 milliliters of milk and mix. Leave to cook for 15 minutes. Once this is done, transfer the rice to a bowl and arrange. Add 3 eggs and beat using a mixer. With the dough prepared, wet your hands with water. Do the same with a spoon. Take a quantity of dough and shape the recipe. The result will surprise you, believe me, it's worth it. Especially with rice left over from a meal and you don't know what to do with it. Once this is done, bread the recipe in breadcrumbs. Next, fry the recipe in a frying pan with boiling sunflower oil over medium heat and let it fry until golden brown. And there you have it. Our sensational rice with milk recipe is ready to eat. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page for more tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.